That's the video we are talking about 3 weeks ago. That Ilya claimed 2 lives just up the road. Them 2 L liar, them alive. That is good. What's a going, my people? Wow, and not such a good note today we meet again, my peeps. Guess what? Spur Tree, my peeps. Spur Tree strike again, as you can see. Yeah, man, that's the record right there. And not too far, people, not too far from this accident scene, a trailer went over a cliff, claiming 2 lives about 2 weeks ago. Right ahead of us, they're showing you just now. Trailer went over there. Several vehicles went over there. I don't remember if you guys remember. I don't know if you guys remember. There was a vehicle that went over somewhere here in Spur Tree, and they didn't find the person until a couple of days after in the vehicle. I don't know if I remember the incident, but yeah, this accident happened right next to the area there. So normally they go over this side where you're looking at right now. Alright? Normally people come up from over the hill over that side, but the accident happened this side, which is where we're showing you right now where the record is. This side. You understand? But this are the bad hill, my people. The corner. This is where it happened now. Where you see the record here. About 200 feet or 300 feet down in the gully the car gone. So it is a BYD, one of them new pretty car there. Jeep type, SUV type. 2 elderly people in that, my people. So my ear up on the scene. Now, guess some people stay tuned. We're gonna show now what go on. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. You understand? Make sure to like, share and subscribe. We're travel down in the Gulf, you know. Go see what go on, but people, so stay tuned. Don't move a muscle. Now may I tell you, look guys, may I show you open at the ear. You probably wonder why open at the ear. The vehicle travel, my people, open at the ear. You understand? So all of them branch and thing lick off. You can see a piece of the vehicle open at the bush at the top of the shrub up there. Open at the ear, my people. It's probably about 100 to 200 feet up in the ear the vehicle travel and drop, mash up. You see me, so I take my time, I go down in the bush, kind of a bit wet. You understand? So I don't want to slide on them thing there. But scores are onlookers there, man. Scores are onlookers. Look, up in the tree. I show you again, my people. Up in the tree, the vehicle travel. I like the vehicle, drop on the ground and slide on them thing there. On the ground, up in the tree. Vehicle travel. Now, this is the vehicle, my peeps. This is the vehicle. See it? BYD. One of them fancy pretty car there. The government just start shipping. Well, the government allow for shipping. Yeah, man. One of them pretty nice car there. Now, 2 elderly people, was in this car. They were rushed to the hospital, my peeps. They were rushed to the hospital. Yeah, so that's allegedly. That's what I heard when I come on the scene. They have been rushed to the hospital. So we hope and pray them alright. You understand? We hope and pray them alright. We hear say, you don't know walk from the scene, from out of the vehicle after the accident. I tell you, any side them sleep on last night, them better sleep on the side again. You understand? But you don't know accident can happen and people walk away. You understand? People walk away and then things happen after because they don't know if them get internal damage and so forth, so forth. But the best place them gone at the hospital. Best place them gone at the hospital. So they recommend them there, my peeps. Yeah, recommend them there and them hook up for do them thing. Now, may I tell you, this look like it's gonna be a task. This look like it's gonna be a task, my people. So I go watch and see what go on. I go watch and see. Stay tuned.
And it was like, I don't know what speak was going on, or the person could have teared out what happened with Jamaica is not necessarily so beautiful. Yes, but if you come down and down at the bottom of the, don't a gas station here, so I'm telling you, serious guys. Guys, remember the car that burned up on EJ Capita Highway to show you that coverage? Well, this one is the Spur Tree coverage. I'm telling you. Drive safely, guys. I think it's going to get pulled up now by the river, so we need to be getting out of here. But the river is
pull out the back.
He said that kind of wrong with you. Sir, you hear me? Sir.
Jet tour.
BYD.
BYD.
Fully. You hear me? Sir. Mr. James. Mr. James. He's off Phoenix. Left side, we drive up. Check out the two demanding. It's whatever it is. Yeah? Let out the two cable demanding. That cable can reach and on. Yeah, free wheel. Driver side first. You're good now. Hear me?
You need to start attention the next time.
Yes, man. I will say I'm
Iron there.
BYD. BYD.
On the iron there.
Yes, brother. I don't supply like them. I don't supply like them. They're not dead. So we have to. What's up with you? At this moment, no. They're not dead. They're like.
You drop about halfway already.
You have to cross in the road and mush up. And the beer barn and flights.
Next side too. You can move to the side. You can come on the side.
Next side. Next side again. Next side again.
You can to the side.
Tension them.
Oh, this is broke already.
Drag it. Yes.
Enjoy the one.
Enjoy that one. Next side. Enjoy this lady.
Oh. I give them 3 a turn in.
Next side. Easy. Next side. Tap. Hold on. Stop. Let's have a quick, the driver side. Let's have the driver side. Yeah, do that.
Think you could have go upstairs now?
Step on this side, no. Hold on.
You can go over there, sir?
You hear me? Let off the driver side. Huh? We may go, eh? No, you know, really turn over, but you on the back wheel or a stone run go up and lean over. So what we may do is, now see if we can drive up on the left side. Hold on.
Hold on there. Again, stop. You can pull that, you know.
No, I'm going to pull it. You know, the next side.
No, I think if you pull that side,
They
they're on the tree.
They got the driver's side. I've got go further. I've got to tie somewhere else.
You think that needs to come from on the tree or you want the same place?
Eh?
They wrap up on the tree.
Oh, yeah, I've got to go next side. Let's go next side. Watch your foot on the rope. Watch your foot on the rope.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Next side. Watch your foot. Next side. No. Next side.
I really feel this is none at all. Or beat all arena. Almost straight. You left too much out there. A little bit of skill. See you one.
Do your next side.
It's that side again.
Go on. See you.
Man, and that one alone in there.
Next side. Next side. Hold on. Let go the driver side.
it come from far, that's all I know.
Let's say far down you go.
He got crazy, see that?
Alright, you can go on.
What corner this and this corner here? Last time one trailer go over the side there. Come up this up. One time one man go over there over the couple days well before them find him. You alright, that's enough. I take down bush man. Eh? Yeah, the bush that can't take off now, go ahead. Come round. That is it. So we're going to live and direct. That's the video we are talking about 3 weeks ago. That Ilya claimed 2 lives just up the road. Them 2 elders, them alive. That is good. That is it, my people. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you tuned next time. Rain or fall.